So Machenike reached out to me and sent me a gaming mouse to review. Now this is the Machenike M7 Elite, which is the highest model for the variant. There's the cheapest, which is the M7 Smart, and the mid-tier model, which is the M7 Play. Now we're just going to focus on the Elite model, but don't worry guys, I'll be leaving their differences down below. And oh, Machenike is also very kind to sponsor a giveaway, so I'll be giving away one gaming mouse together with a metal mousepad. Mechanics will be also posted down at the description. And with that out of the way, let us begin. Now this cost around 2,500 pesos. You can check it out at the link below, where you can visit their official Lazada page where you can spot all their items, from laptops, peripherals, and other computer stuff. There's a lot of good things right there. Now let's unbox this bad boy. Right off the bat, when you open up the box, you'll be greeted with the mouse itself. But at the bottom of it, you'll have the Type-C charging cable, and yes my friends, Type-C baby. And of course, a manual, and that's all you get. Now this model is rechargeable and has a 1000 milliamps of built-in battery and could last you roughly around 4 to 60 hours depending on your usage. Now the build quality is quite superb. It has premium feel to it and could last you for a long time for sure. It is quite heavy though, and because of the battery, so if you're into lighter mouse, this will probably turn you off. But for those who likes bigger and heavier gaming mouse, this is one to consider. This mouse looks absolutely fantastic. It has RGB all around and has a driver where you can customize the buttons. It kinda reminds me of Alienware when I look at it. I don't know. What do you guys think? And oh, this is also ambidextrous, so if you're a left-hand user, you'll feel right at home with this one. So right at the top, you have the Machenike logo, the main left and right switch buttons, which is powered by Omron and will last you about 20 million clicks. And here is the scroll wheel, which feels a little bit mushy. And right below it is the 8-point DPI buttons and up to 16,000 DPI. There's also a subtle RGB lighting right around the bottom, which adds up a little bit of flair. Now onto the sides, if you have a sweaty hands, this is your lucky day because it is rubberized on both sides. And the side buttons are placed well and has a tactile clicky feel to it. And the RGB party is not finished because at the bottom part of the mouse encircled an ample amount of RGB, which looks really good. Now flipping the mouse over, you'll have the mouse fit here and the sensor itself, which is the PMW 335, which is a great sensor for gaming. And there are two switches you can toggle here. On the left, you have the power saving mode, normal wireless mode, and wide mode. And on the right, you'll have the 3 settings of polling rate, which you can play around. And that's about it. Now let's try to game on it and see its performance. All in all, this is a great mouse for the price. It is on the heavy side, so keep that in mind. It is a good all-around mouse and I can confidently recommend this for those who want a beefier and bigger mouse. It's quite comfortable in the hands and did not feel awkward even for a long time gaming session. It is quite impressive and looks great too, so what more you can ask for, right? So that's about it guys. Don't forget to join the giveaway. This is strictly for Philippine viewers only. Link of the giveaway is down below. Good luck guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.